Typhoon Ambo 2008. This Typhoon Ambo is the second typhoon that hits the Philippine area. This typhoon was formed in the north of Mindanao and struck Hainan. First, this typhoon declares by the Philippine Atmospheric Geophysical and Astronomical Services Authority or PAGASA that this is a low pressure area, then it becomes a typhoon. According to the China Meteorological Administration, 42,000 residents were displaced in the aftermath of Neogori. 18 Chinese fishermen and 22 Vietnamese fishermen remain missing due to the storm. 3 fatalities have been confirmed in China due to a road being covered in a mud flow and another due to winds blowing a sheet of aluminum into a person, throwing them off the roof of a stadium. Then the PAGASA said in the news that the typhoon continued north, weakening as it did so. The cyclone made landfall as a weak tropical storm on Guangdong province in southern China, and the final advisories from both agencies were issued shortly after. We should help the places wherein the typhoon is there. Everything has a solution or lesson to consider. This is Anne of Synergy.